Welcome to my hydroponics journey. Welcome to my video. This is day 9, and of course, the plants, the kangkong are doing well, but um, as of this day, okay siya. Walang nutrient deficiency, super green yung leaves niya, and I decided to separate it kasi hindi sila, because yung lagayan gamay ra kayo siya. Sorry, magbisaya na jud ko. So, in the suga, the light, dili niya ma-occupy tanan. So, kung makita ninyo, ang petchay is nagbend siya padulong gid sa suga kay dili sila maabot sa tumoy. So, I decided to separate it. And of course, I still have grow lights katong old one, the pink one, which I don't like kay maglisod ko pag vlog compare sa lighter kanang inani na suga. So, gi-decide ko nga separate silang duha kay para mahatagan sila even nga light para mag-grow sila. And as you can see, this video was December 9. So, hindi pa ako nagka-allergy in the morning. Kasi nag-breakout yung allergy ko around 6 p.m., 7 p.m. So, this was just fine. As you can see, may nare-remove ako na mga horticulture foam kasi not all seedlings nag-germinate sa kangkong. And that's when I realized the seeds are not good, yung mga nabili ko. So, hindi lahat nag-germinate, hindi lahat healthy, but there are some that are very healthy. So, yun lang yung iniwan ko in this video. So, after ko ma-separate, I decided to add nutrient solution. Ayan. Actually, yung nutrient solution, isa rin yan sa pinagdududahan ko why I have an allergy. Kaya next time, I will use gloves na. Ayan. So, ibabalik ko na siya dyan. And, yung sa kabila din. Kasi dyan, even siya sa gitna mo ilagay. Even yung light. Pag ang plant is nasa center ng lagayan. Kaya I need to separate them. So, this is my old grow lights. Color pink siya. Ito yung ginamit ko sa first trial. And, okay naman so far yung result. Naging leggy din yung unang try ko. And, yes, I was finding a right way how to solve the problem kasi it took me a while to find the solution, the right place, or saan ko ba siya dapat ilagay. Kasi medyo bobo po tayo dito na part. Ayan.